Homage got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the.
Alright, so what's up you guys? It's Andy C back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to transform your fitted hats from a flat to a curved brim the right way. I know you guys have probably been seeing a lot in streetwear lately that fitted hats have made a huge comeback, as well as a lot of snapbacks. A lot of fitted hats, whether it be MLB, NFL, NBA, they just become a huge staple again in streetwear. Not a lot of people have been wearing them with the flat brim. A lot of them prefer to curve it, but I see a lot of people doing it wrong, which leaves like the triangle dent in there. So like just bending them like that, that's not the right way to do it. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do it to get a nice circular curve around the brim so it doesn't look bent or broken, and it's with one easy step. So what you're gonna do, all you need is one thing and a little bit of time. So you're gonna need to take a rubber band. I got these big thick hair bands from the dollar store. They come in like a pack of 6 or 8, I'm not 100% sure. They come in a big pack so you can do multiple at a time. But what you're gonna do is start with a little bit of a curve, start curving it yourself a little bit. The way I like to do it is I take the fat part by my thumb and take the corners of the hat and roll underneath. I don't grab like this because that puts that triangle like dent, or it kind of breaks that cardboard on the inside, because essentially all you're doing is curving this cardboard that's inside the brim of your hat. Just kind of roll it in a little bit, making sure I roll in these corners just a little bit. And if this hat's a little, I wear this hat a lot, so if it's a little dusty or anything, don't mind me. If I get a good curve into it, what I'm gonna do is I take this rubber band and I double it. And what you're gonna do is stretch it across the brim of the hat. After you finish that, the hat's gonna be looking like this. And I know what you're thinking, it looks kind of crazy right now, but trust me, if keeping it like this is gonna be all that you need to get it to the curve that you want it to be at. So you can see from the underside, that's how it's gonna look like. It's gonna be very squeezed and very tight, but all you wanna make sure of is that you're not indenting the front part where the logo is stitched onto the hat, and you'll be all set. All right, so after you let it sit like this for just a few days, I like to leave mine for about 2 days or so. It's gonna have that nice perfect curve to them. If you want it to be curved a little bit more than this, or if you want it to stay curved for a little bit longer, you can always put the rubber band back on and leave it on for just a little bit more time. It'll keep this nice and pristine for you. All right, so as you can tell, I have this red Yankees hat that I've never curved before. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I would do it real quick, and this is really quick and simple. So like I said earlier, hold it straight out, use that part underneath your thumbs, just roll the hat brim, kind of curve it up under, making sure you don't get that triangle dent down the center, because essentially, like I said earlier, all this is cardboard that you're bending. You can already see it starting to take the nice shape. So after I get to about this point, double my band, hold it right over the hat like this. So I'll let it sit like this for just a few days, and I'll come back and show you guys when it's all finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick video today. I wanted to show you guys how I personally wear my fitted hats. I want to help you guys curve your brims and make them look nice and tight so they look fitted on your head. One tip I forgot to mention is to make sure that when you're wearing a fitted hat, to make sure that you get the correct size. Now, if there's only a bigger size available, if you're gonna curve the brim, there's a little bit of room to have a bigger size, because when the brim curves, it'll fit a little bit tighter to your head. So it'll make up for it, but always try to go with your correct size. You can always go into a lids or anything. They'll help you find your right size, or just try on hats until you find one that fits you like it. So with that being said, hope I can help you guys out today. This has been Andy C, and I'm out.